Hello everybody! Welcome to another video with your teacher Nelida. In this opportunity, we are going to be talking about adverbs. Adverbs are words that we use to describe, verbs. We describe verbs giving extra information about when, about where, or about how. For example, look at this sentence. Gamers were able to answer test questions accurately. Where is the adverb? Yes, you did well. It is accurately. Accurately is modifying the verb answer. Answer how? Accurately. This is the way how adverbs work. Similar to adjectives, we can use adverbs to compare to. For example, gamers were able to answer test questions faster than those who didn't play. And our adverb is faster than. Here, faster is a short adverb, so we add just er to compare. Who answer faster? Gamers or those who didn't play. We are comparing who answer faster. With long and we call these comparative adverbs. For long adverbs, we use the word more. For example, gamers were able to answer test questions more accurately than those who didn't play. More accurately. Here we use more to compare. Who answer more accurately? Gamers or those people who didn't play. We are comparing the two parts. When we want to compare more than two, we use the superlative. For example, young girls who play Tetris for 30 minutes answer the fastest. Answer the fastest of all. For example, this is the superlative, and our superlative here is the fastest. We are est for the short adverbs. For long adverbs, we may use the least to decrease, or we may use the most to increase. For example, those who didn't play answer the least accurately. How do they answer? The least accurately of all. Or we may use as well the most to increase, the most accurately. As you have seen, we have almost the same rules as we use in adjectives. With one-syllable adverbs, we add er, faster, and for the superlative, fastest, est. With one syllable ending in e, for example, we just add art, later for the comparative, and latest for the superlative. With two or more syllables, we add more quickly, most quickly. Also, we have a group of irregular adverbs. We have here, well, which comparative is better, and the superlative is best. Badly, which comparative is worse, and the superlative is worst. and far, which comparative is further and superlative furthest. Well, it's all about the adverbs. Now it's time to practice. Here you have some exercises. Please choose the correct option to complete each sentence. And this is the second exercise. Well, thank you for watching this video and see you in another video. Bye bye.